Hello friends, today we are going to learn about data tab in Tally Prime. So basically we have already learned about company tab. We have completed all this menu. So we are going to see today about data tab or data menu. So under the data menu we will learn about backup, and we will learn about restore, we will learn about split and data path. So one by one we will check. So suppose I want to take the backup from the company. So here I will select the alt Y, select the backup, and here where I want to take the backup. Suppose I want to take the backup in C drive. So in C drive I can go to my C drive, right click C drive. So here I can copy this path and I can paste it here. Or if I want to create the folder path from Tally itself, so we can type here TALLY Tally PRIME prime BACK backup, and we will enter. So it will ask, want to create the path? Yes, we will create the path, and our list of company will show. So suppose I want to take backup of these two company, okay, client company and data security company. I will take end of the list and I will enter. So if I go to my C drive, so here Tally Prime backup folder will be created. So in this folder here we can see the backup TBK Tally backup 900 folder will be created. Suppose I want to restore now. If I want to open this company in Tally, it will not open because this is in TBK format, and Tally will accept only the .900 format. So we will have to restore. So to restore the data, what we can do, we can go to the data tab and we will select restore. So here the destination path will ask where you want to restore. Suppose I want to restore in my G drive, G Tally release data Tally Prime. If I want to restore here, I can restore here. If I want to restore any other place, so we can change the path. Suppose I want to restore in the same path, so I will give this path, and it will ask which data you want to restore. So I have to go to select from drive, then I will go to C drive. In C drive I will have Tally ERP9 folder, and in Tally ERP9 folder, C drive, Tally Prime, Tally Prime all item. So if we are going to see all item means all these two companies restore. Earlier this was not there. Okay, suppose the next thing. So you understood, I think you have understood how to take the backup with restore. In backup, if you want, we can take in the existing folder. If you want, we can change the folder. We can also copy and paste the folder path directly. Similarly, we will go to the split. What is that split? Under the data tab, split is the functionality given by the Tally software, where if we have the multiple years data in the Tally, what happens means we will have the experience slowness, taking more time while opening the report. So we will split. We can split the data after 5 years, 2 years, 4 years. We can also use this split to the next financial year in the country. Suppose we are going to the next financial year and I want my data only for that financial year only. So what we can do, we can split the data. So under the split we have two options, verified data and split data. What is a verified data? Verified data is the option where Tally internally verify your company data. Suppose if any there errors in the vouchers, not selected the properly, ledgers, check numbers. So all these entry will capture in the tally, where it will show these entries you need to correct. So if we want to verify, we can verify, and after verifying successfully done, we can split the data. So for verified data we will open, and here list all company will show. So we will select the company, it will ask accept. So here currently you can see no error found. After verifying the data, we will go to data tab, split, and we can split the data. Suppose I want to split this data from July 21. So I will give the date and I will split. Currently tally is in educational mode, so you cannot split the data in educational mode. Similar option we have in the data tab, like data path. Suppose we want to so in the data path we have two options: company data path, backup data path. Suppose my data, currently my data is in gtally rp9 data tally prime, okay, and data path where I want to take the backup. So I will select this and I will give this path and I will accept. So what happens means, when I close the tally and reopen tally, after the reopening tally, my data path will be C drive and my current working data path will be in G drive. Suppose if I want to take the backup of any company, I will log in another company. Suppose I will open this company, Surabhi Hardware Mumbai. So I have login. Suppose when I am going to take the backup, so automatically what happens means, backup destination path it will show. Here it will, our data will be backed up. Suppose Surabhi Mumbai, I want to take the backup, end of the list. So we can see here our company is backed up. So I hope you have understood all these feature under the data tab. Next we will learn about the exchange menu or exchange tab. What is that exchange menu or exchange tab? So under the data tab or under the company tab, if you have any questions regarding this, you can surely comment on the video and I will make video on this topic again. Thank you, thanks for watching. Bye, take care.